In question 5, we have the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence. So to find p, we need to use t3 minus t2 is equal to t2 minus t1. 6p plus 7 minus t2, so minus 5p plus 3 is equal to 5p minus 3 minus t1 minus 2p minus 1. That's going to give p plus 10 on the left equals 3p minus 4 on the right. So we end up with 2p equals 14. So p is equal to 7. In B, we have the 7th and 11th terms of a sequence are 6 is the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 3/8. It's a geometric sequence and we're asked to find two values of r. So with a geometric sequence, let's say 2, if we multiply that by 3, we'll get 6, 18. So we're multiplying by r each time. So if we're multiplying by r each time, this is 6r. This is 6r squared. This is 6r cubed, which would make 3/8. 6r to the power of 4 would be 3/8. So r to the power of 4 is equal to 3 over 48, which is 1 over 16. I'll just divide these up nicely. So a half to the power of 4 is equal to 1 over 16. So r is equal to a half. So let's just check our sequence. 6 by a half is going to be 3. By a half is 3 over 2. By a half is 3 over 4. By a half is 3 over 8. And if we had the minus, we'd have a minus, a plus, a minus, and a plus. So the minus a half would work too. So r is equal to a half, or minus a half for part B. A sequence of functions f0, 1, 2, 3 is defined as follows. f0 is x to the power of 2024. And then for when n is greater than 1 or equal to 1, the function is the derivative of the previous one. So that means that f1 is equal to the derivative. Take the power in front and reduce the power by 1. So that's for f2 as well. f2, in terms of x, I presume we don't have to simplify this out. So it's going to be 2023 by 2024 by x to the power of 2022. So what can we see? We can see the 1 in 2023 is 2024, 2 in 2022 is 2024. So f0, the first one that's going to be 0. So well, when does this get to 0? If they add up to 2024, f 2024 will be equal to all the terms in front, x to the power of 0. And then if we bring the 0 down for the next part, that will be the next one. So f 2025, I think, is the first term that will have a 0 in it somewhere to make the whole expression equal to 0. And that's question 5.